TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, folks. Steve Rhodes coming to you live from the shores of a very pleasant, a wonderful Delray Beach, Florida. This is 11 a.m. update, and we begin our day with a slightly mixed bag out there. The mix is coming from the trends, which are up 16 points. All the other U.S. indices that we track are trading to the downside. The S&P is off 28. The NASDAQ is off 154. The Dow's down 91. The Russell's off 4. Semis are down 13. You've got gold that's trading up $31, a little over 1%. 26.90 is the print. Nearly 4% for silver. That's up $1.16. Light sweet crude is up $1.41. That's a 2% move there. Natural gas up 8 pennies. That's trading down to $3.15. 30-year Treasury's off 21 ticks. The 10-year note down 7. If we take a look at what all this means by looking at that 9-panel market update chart, we'll begin with the ES Mini. The ES Mini is attempting to form a new profile. So for those of you that are short, you most certainly want to pay attention to these. Now, these profiles, or this profile, I should say, will not be confirmed until this evening at 6:01. But right now, you know that sellers are looking at 57.55 and buyers are looking at 56.38. The center is at 55.67. So a close below that would increase the odds of a move down to test support, and that's at that 60.22 level. Oh, I was giving you 5,000 level. Sorry about that. Let me restart that. Support is at 60.22, resistance at 61.11, and the center of that profile is at 60.77. A close below 60.77 ought to get us moved down to 60.22. Spot fix index still below its 50-day exponential moving average, that number being in the 16.23 level. It is rising out there, but that's all that is. So it still provides buyers with an edge at the moment. The NQ negated any kind of, well, it's got a wave 7 top. That's what we're in right now. We've got a higher high today, so that's extended itself. The earliest that topping pattern could form would become at the end of the day tomorrow. If we take a look at the U.S. dollar index, just a consolidation with inside its daily profile, the range there, 105.82 at support, 106.99 at resistance. Gold's trying to take out profile resistance. That needs a close above 26.71 today. I'd say any close above, quite frankly, the high from back on the 29th at 26.90.50 ought to lead to a further rally, with that swing point high from back on November 25th being a price target, 27.48. Silver is clearly generating a profile change in trend signal. It just needs a close above 32.03. If we take a look at light sweet crude, what's light sweet crude doing? It's rallying right up into some potential resistance out there. Folks, we're running out of time, but stay tuned for the Trader's Edge show. If you're off to start your Monday, have a magical one. Otherwise, stay tuned, and we'll be back in just a few. Take care.